Hey everyone, welcome to Clumbox. Money. It's something we all use every day, but how much do we really understand about it? From childhood, we're surrounded by myths and misconceptions about money. These myths shape our financial decisions, often leading us astray. Today, we're going to debunk some of the most pervasive money myths and reveal the truths they're not telling you. Myth number 1. More money means more happiness. The belief that more money automatically leads to more happiness is a pervasive myth. While it's true that having enough money to meet your basic needs and reduce financial stress can improve your well-being, beyond a certain point, more money has a diminishing return on happiness. Research shows that once your basic needs are met, additional wealth has little impact on your overall happiness. Factors like relationships, health, and personal fulfillment play a more significant role in your well-being. Instead of solely chasing financial success, focus on a balanced approach that includes nurturing your personal relationships, pursuing your passions, and maintaining your health. Myth number 2. Saving money is enough to make you wealthy. Saving money is important, but it's not enough to secure your financial future. Inflation erodes the value of money over time, meaning your savings will be worth less in the future than they are today. Simply putting money in a savings account won't help it grow fast enough to keep up with inflation. To build wealth, you need to invest your money. Investing allows your money to work for you, growing through interest, dividends, and capital gains. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, can help protect against market fluctuations and increase your potential returns. Remember, saving is the first step, but investing is what will truly grow your wealth. Myth number 3. I can wait when I'm older to start planning for retirement. Many people believe that they can put off retirement planning until later in life. However, the earlier you start planning for retirement, the better. Time is one of the most powerful tools in building a substantial retirement fund. Starting early allows you to take advantage of compound interest, which can significantly grow your savings over time. Even if you're starting late, it's never too late to begin. The key is to start as soon as possible and contribute regularly to retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs. Maximize employer contributions if available, and seek advice from a financial advisor to create a plan that suits your situation. Procrastinating can lead to insufficient savings and financial stress in your golden years. Myth number 4. Financial literacy is too complicated. Many people believe that understanding finance is too complicated. Financial jargon and complex concepts can be intimidating, but financial literacy is not as daunting as it seems. Breaking down financial concepts into simple, understandable terms can make a world of difference. Start with the basics. Budgeting, saving, and understanding debt. There are plenty of resources available, from books and online courses to financial advisors and apps designed to educate and guide you. Taking small steps to improve your financial knowledge can have a significant impact on your financial health. Myth number 5. Only rich people can invest. One of the biggest myths is that investing is only for the wealthy. Many people believe they need to have a lot of money to start investing. This couldn't be further from the truth. The reality is that investing is for everyone, regardless of their financial situation. Thanks to the rise of online trading platforms and apps, you can start investing with as little as $5. These platforms have democratized investing, making it accessible to everyone. The power of compound interest means that even small investments can grow significantly over time. By starting early and investing regularly, anyone can build wealth. Myth number 6. Debt is always a bad thing. Debt often gets a bad rap. Many people believe that all debt is bad and should be avoided at all costs. However, not all debt is created equal. There's a difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is an investment that will grow in value or generate long-term income. Examples include student loans, which finance your education, and mortgages, which help you buy a home. These types of debt can lead to increased earning potential and asset accumulation. On the other hand, bad debt, like high-interest credit card debt, can be financially crippling. The key is to manage debt wisely and understand the difference between using debt as a tool for growth versus falling into a debt trap. Myth number 7. You need a budget that tracks every penny. Budgeting is essential, but the idea that you need to track every single penny is a myth that often deters people from budgeting altogether. This approach can be overwhelming and unsustainable. Instead, think of budgeting as a guideline, not a strict rulebook. The goal of a budget is to help you understand where your money is going and ensure you're living within your means. Start with broad categories like housing, food, and entertainment, and allocate your income accordingly. The key is to find a system that works for you, whether it's the 50-30-20 rule or another method. Simplify your budget to avoid burnout and maintain financial control without the stress. Myth number 8. Credit scores are only for borrowing. Many people think credit scores only matter if you plan to borrow money. While credit scores are crucial for getting loans and credit cards, their importance goes beyond borrowing. A good credit score can impact your ability to rent an apartment, get a job, or even qualify for lower insurance premiums. Landlords and employers often check credit scores to gauge your reliability and financial responsibility. Insurance companies use credit scores to determine risk and set premiums. A good credit score can open doors and save you money in unexpected ways. So it's essential to maintain a healthy credit score by paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and managing debt responsibly. Myth number 9. Financial planning is only for the wealthy. Another common myth is that financial planning is only necessary for the wealthy. In reality, everyone can benefit from financial planning regardless of their income level. Financial planning helps you set goals, create a roadmap to achieve them, and navigate life's financial challenges. A good financial plan considers your current situation, future goals, and potential risks. It includes budgeting, saving, investing, and planning for retirement. By working with a financial planner or using online tools, you can create a plan tailored to your needs. This can help you make informed decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and stay on track to achieve your financial goals. Myth number 10. You can time the market. The allure of timing the market, buying low and selling high, is strong. Many believe they can predict market movements and make a fortune. However, timing the market is incredibly difficult, even for professional investors. The stock market is influenced by countless unpredictable factors, making it nearly impossible to consistently buy at the bottom and sell at the top. Instead of trying to time the market, focus on a long-term investment strategy. This involves regularly investing a fixed amount, regardless of market conditions. Known as dollar-cost averaging, this strategy reduces the risk of making poor investment decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Over time, this approach can lead to steady growth and help you avoid the pitfalls of market timing. In summary, many widely held beliefs about money are actually myths that can hinder your financial growth and stability. Remember, the key to financial success is continuous learning and adapting to new information. Don't let these myths hold you back. Empower yourself with the truth and watch your financial confidence soar. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, leave a comment down below. Keep thriving with us, and see you next time.